Guys, I'm going to be taking this multi-surface paint that I picked up from Michael's for $2, and I really think this is going to be cute because it has like these little silver glitter flakes in it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that. I'm going to pour some in a bowl here just so it's easier for me to use my paintbrush to brush it on. That should be enough. This is just a regular brush that I got for like 99 cents or something from like Walmart or somewhere. I've had this for a really long time, but it wasn't expensive at all. Okay, so this little tray I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to jazz it up a little bit. I probably should have used another brush, but I just got done with another project and I wanted to I have to clean 2 brushes, so that's why I'm using this big brush. I might actually go ahead and apply my final coat with a different brush, but we'll see how it turns out. And here I'm going to be doing that same thing with the toothbrush holder. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be going in with these gemstones that I picked up from Michael's, and I'm not quite sure which ones I'm going to use. I might use both of them or only one. Adhesive that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and the reason I'm using this is it leaves my gems a little less cloudy than if I use something like E6000. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this. Guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this little video. I really did enjoy making it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big huge thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I do an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.